Capricorn, there wants to be a surrender to the transition of your career, to the transformation, there wants to be a something new, a flight to your career right now. Whatever you're deeming as your career at the moment. So allow yourself to during this full moon cycle, to listen to your dreams so that you know what specifically to transition. What do you want? Intro.
Guess what? You are loved.
Okay, full moon in Pisces. It's a doozle bopple. Before we get into the juice of it, New York, I'm doing my first in-person workshop. Thursday, September 30th, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. ZODIACAL flow. One part learning about the astrological journey. Second part, we imbue it into our bodies with some yoga. It's gonna be so fun. If you're in the New York area and you can attend, like, let's do this. Alchemical Studios, registration on my website, at the shop, under workshops, beep ba bop bop. If you're not in New York and you want me to come to you to do the workshop, let's talk about it. Okay. The energies of this moment are very intense. The full moon is right next to Neptune in Pisces, in the Pisces. What is Neptune? Neptune is dreams, harmony, love, sensitivity, childhood attachments, delusion, religion suppression, consumption of entertainment, music. The sun is in Virgo. Virgo says, I love the details. I love the ritual. I love the autonomy. I love the day-to-day lists. I love my body. I love my health. I love my physical sense of my day-to-day life. I love doing things. I love gifting service. I love being of value. I love being important. Right now, what was started in Aries is now at the final stages of getting ritualized in Virgo. We are about to, Libra season, go into having other people come on board with this project. And then we're going to make our way back to the Pisces full expression of it. So we are feeling, moon, feeling the end of the adventure halfway through. We are feeling the big harmonious completion moment of what was energetically started inside of us. This is why this feels so overwhelming at the moment. Because here we are, sun saying, focus on ritual, focus on day-to-day, focus on the now, focus here. We have this full moon moment of like, but wait, all of the other things. It's Coritus. Choir. It's like the Tabernacle Choir singing. So what we're going to do today with the tarot is, what is the reflective moment that we need to know to become aware of to get past the drama? What is it that we need to just exalt, that we need to get clarity on so that we can move forward back to our day-to-day ritual? What is it that we need to feel so that we can execute? The Neptune moment right next to the moon is going to provide cloudiness. It's going to provide a huge sense of weight to it, and it's not going to be delivered in a clear way. That's why we need some meditation time. So, we're going to talk about what the access point to that meditation is. Capricorn. Sudden movement change. Okay. Come on, travel. This is the Six of Swords. This is air, this is breath, this is life, this is the sun is out, this is the rainbow is shining, this is the rainstorm is over. Congratulations. We're in a moment of a Plutonian flare-up. So Saturn is in retrograde. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on with you. So allow yourself to believe that the sun is out. Allow yourself to believe that the sun has come out. Allow yourself to believe that the sun has come out. Allow yourself to actually believe that the rainstorm is over. You can stay in a place of I want more for a long time. What if you danced in the realm that says I have what I want? What if you danced in the world that is not raining? What if you said, hey, I'm doing great, and that's great. Hey, I'm loving what my life is right now. Hey, I am secure in where I am at financially, and yes, there is always room for growth. And I can also say, it doesn't need to be raining in my journey right now. It doesn't need to be so dark and so wet and so emotional. I can be happy with where I am, and I can climb the mountain in the light. I can climb the mountain in the sun. And I can allow myself to see the rainbow. Because rainbows are pretty. And who doesn't love rainbow? Okay. Come on, love. You are so loved. Give yourself grace, give yourself time, give yourself some meditative moments. Listen to your most beautiful music that makes you feel. Listen to something that makes you think. Have conversations that put you in a reflective, introspective place. Choose meditation, choose soul, choose spirit, choose love, choose harmony. When you're watching television, you're ingesting somebody else's story. Neptune really wants you to spend time with it so that you get to discover your story. This is also, Neptune is perception time. Saturn is actual minutes. Neptune is perception time. So we're kind of going on we're going to be kind of skewed with time right now. We're going to be in a moment of like, have I been doing something for 5 minutes or 5 hours? Like, just give yourself breath. Give yourself grace. Give yourself love. Allow yourself to zone out. Allow yourself to get lost in something. Allow yourself to create. It doesn't have to be good. You don't have to share it. Do whatever it is that gets you in a space of speaking with your intuitive soul. I am always here for you. PaulFlanagan.com for appointment booking, the workshops, random videos. Goodbye.